Fixing a ghost touchscreen glitch on a computer or laptop involves troubleshooting both hardware and software-related issues. This type of glitch occurs when your touchscreen or trackpad behaves erratically, registering input even when you're not touching it. Let's walk through a comprehensive step-by-step guide to fix this problem. Step 1. Restart your computer. Before diving into more complex solutions, restart your computer. Sometimes, ghost touch issues are just temporary glitches that can be resolved by restarting. How to restart? Windows, click on the Start menu, then select Restart. Mac, click the Apple icon in the top left corner and select Restart. Step 2. Clean the screen or trackpad. Dirt, moisture, or static buildup on the touchscreen or trackpad can sometimes cause erratic behavior like ghost touches. Cleaning the screen. Turn off your computer to avoid accidental inputs. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the screen or trackpad. If necessary, dampen the cloth slightly with water or a screen cleaner. Cleaning the trackpad. Repeat the same process for the trackpad area. Make sure no moisture is left behind. Step 3. Disable and re-enable the touchscreen. If the issue occurs specifically on a touchscreen laptop, disabling and re-enabling the touchscreen can resolve the problem. For Windows, press Windows plus X, then choose Device Manager. Expand the Human Interface Devices section. Right-click on Hit Compliant Touchscreen and select Disable Device. Wait a few moments, then right-click again and select Enable Device. For Mac, MacBooks' built-in touchscreens are rare, but if your device has one, you'd have to contact support to turn it off or check for a deeper issue. Step 4. Update drivers for Windows. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause ghost touch problems. Updating or reinstalling drivers often solves the issue. Update the touchscreen driver. Press Windows plus X, then select Device Manager. Expand the Human Interface Devices section. Right-click Hide Compliant Touchscreen or your trackpad driver. Choose Update Driver, then search automatically for updated driver software. Restart the computer after the update. Trackpad driver. Similarly, expand the mice and other pointing devices section in Device Manager. Right-click your trackpad driver and update it. Step 5. Calibrate the touchscreen. Windows includes a touchscreen calibration tool that can help fix ghost touch glitches. How to calibrate? Type Calibrate in the Windows search bar and select Calibrate the screen for pen or touch input. In the window that appears, click Calibrate. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate the touchscreen. This can help remove any inaccuracies or glitches in touch detection. Step 6. Adjust touchpad sensitivity or disable it. If the ghost touch problem is occurring on your touchpad, you can adjust its sensitivity or temporarily disable it. Adjust touchpad sensitivity. Go to Settings, Windows plus I, then Devices, then Touchpad. Under Touchpad sensitivity, adjust it to a lower setting to avoid accidental touches. Disable touchpad. If using an external mouse in Device Manager, under Mice and other pointing devices, right-click your touchpad driver and select Disable Device. Step 7. Run a system scan. Sometimes malware or corrupted software can interfere with the touchscreen or trackpad, causing erratic behavior like ghost touches. Run a malware scan. Windows. Open Windows. Security and run a full scan using Windows Defender. Mac. Run Apple's malware removal tool or a third-party antivirus program. Uninstall recent software. If the problem started after installing a program, in Control Panel programs or applications, uninstall any software installed right before the ghost touch problem began. Step 8. Test in safe mode. Starting your computer in safe mode allows Windows to run with the minimal drivers, which can help determine if the issue is being caused by a third-party program. How to boot in safe mode. Hold down the Shift key and restart the computer. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, then Restart. Once the computer restarts, press F4 to boot in safe mode. Test the touchscreen or trackpad in safe mode. If the ghost touch problem disappears, the issue is likely due to a third-party program or driver. You can start removing recently installed apps or updating drivers to pinpoint the cause. Step 9. Adjust power settings. Sometimes power-saving modes interfere with touchscreen functionality. How to adjust power settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Power and Sleep. Under Power Mode, select Balanced or High Performance. Step 10. Reinstall touchscreen drivers. If updating drivers didn't work, reinstalling the touchscreen driver can help resolve persistent glitches. How to reinstall? Open Device Manager. Right-click Hid Compliant Touchscreen and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer, and Windows should automatically reinstall the driver. Step 11. Check for Windows or macOS updates. It's always a good idea to check if there's an update available for your operating system, as updates often contain bug fixes for hardware and software issues. For Windows, go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. For Mac, go to the Apple menu, then System Preferences, then Software Update. Install any available updates. Step 12. Perform a factory reset, last resort. If nothing else has worked, performing a factory reset is a last resort. Back up your important files before doing this, as it will erase everything from your device. For Windows, go to Settings, Update and Security. Recovery. Reset this PC. Follow the instructions to reset your PC. For Mac, restart your Mac and press Command plus R to enter recovery mode. Choose Reinstall macOS from the options. Step 13. Contact technical support. If all else fails, there might be a deeper hardware issue, such as a malfunctioning screen or digitizer. Contact the manufacturer's customer support for a diagnostic or repair. Summary of fixes. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Clean the touchscreen or trackpad. 3. Disable and re-enable the touchscreen. 4. Update touchscreen or trackpad drivers. 5. Calibrate the touchscreen. Windows. 6. Adjust touchpad sensitivity or disable it. 7. Run a malware scan and check for software interference. 8. Test in safe mode. Windows. 9. Adjust power settings. 10. Reinstall touchscreen drivers. Windows. 11. Check for updates. 12. Perform a factory reset. 13. Contact technical support. With these steps, you should be able to identify and fix most Ghost Touch issues. Let me know if you need further clarification on any step.